Today, I'll show you how to make a natural protein powder at home using just 5 simple ingredients. This blend is naturally rich in plant protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. First, place the split yellow lentils in a dry pan and dry roast them over medium heat for about 5 minutes, stirring frequently. This process enhances the lentils' natural nutty flavor, removes excess surface moisture, and makes them easier to grind into a fine powder. Once they turn lightly golden, transfer them to a bowl and let them cool completely. Next, add the golden or brown flax seeds to the same dry pan. Since flax seeds are naturally rich in healthy fats, they only need to be dry roasted for about 1 minute while stirring continuously. Be careful not to burn them. Transfer them to a separate bowl and allow them to cool completely. Finally, add the rolled oats to the same pan and dry roast them for about 5 minutes, stirring frequently until they become lightly golden and develop a pleasant aroma. Transfer them to another bowl and let them cool completely. Each ingredient in this blend offers unique nutritional benefits. Split yellow lentils are naturally rich in plant protein, fiber, iron, and folate. Rolled oats provide complex carbohydrates, beta-glucan fiber, and additional protein. Flax seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and essential minerals. Dry roasting does not change the nutritional value of these ingredients, but it enhances their flavor and aroma, making your homemade protein powder even more enjoyable. Once all the ingredients have cooled completely, grind each one separately into a fine powder using a coffee grinder or a powerful blender. Grinding each ingredient separately produces a finer and more uniform texture. If you grind everything together, the oats will turn into flour much faster than the lentils, while the flax seeds may begin releasing their natural oils, making the mixture less even. Sift each ground ingredient through a fine mesh sieve. If any larger pieces remain, simply grind them again until you achieve a smooth, fine powder. Next, add 1 cup of powdered peanut butter and 1/2 cup of coconut milk powder. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. This homemade protein powder contains approximately 24 to 26 grams of protein per 100 grams. It is also naturally rich in plant protein, fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, iron, magnesium, and other essential minerals. Unlike many store-bought protein powders, it is made entirely from real food ingredients and contains no artificial flavors, sweeteners, or preservatives. Transfer the mixture to an airtight glass jar and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 months. One of the easiest ways to use this protein powder is in a smoothie. Simply blend 300 milliliters of unsweetened soy milk, 60 grams of homemade protein powder, and a pinch of cinnamon until smooth. This recipe makes a creamy and satisfying drink that provides approximately 24 to 25 grams of protein per serving. You can also use this protein powder in pancakes, waffles, porridge, overnight oats, muffins, cookies, energy balls, or simply stir it into your favorite breakfast. It's an easy and delicious way to add more plant protein, fiber, and beneficial nutrients to your daily meals.